week we left Perth and made our way to Geraldton. This road trip was quite eventful.
Not like the best looking shower.
Oh my god. We have since been stuck in Geraldton waiting on a parcel. When is this parcel gonna arrive? Today's mission is to get everything ready to leave the city and finally go remote.
Good morning everyone. Let's start our day. We need to feed the cats, get this princess up, make some coffees, and then get this day started.
Oh, you said coffee. First I need to get changed.
Ready for the day.
I've been doing a nutrition program called Metabolic Balance, and that's why I'm having my breakfast now before weight, because we are eating different foods for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I have only a 60-minute window to eat and drink anything that I want other than water. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast while Wade is gonna do whatever he wants to do. Okay, for breakfast I'm having mushroom and spinach on a rye crisp bread, and after for dessert is some fruit.
Dessert.
Ooh, coffee's hot. I think we're gonna start with some laundry. And the way that we find laundry is we just Google laundrette close to me, and we pick the one that is closer to us, and we look at the reviews, price, and then we make our way there.
We have Midwest Laundriette, Geraldton. Let's go now?
See?
Okay, let's do it.
There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off. There's a cat on the loose. Good morning, minha gatinha.
Okay, the water is done. Let's double check it. And we are full. I promise it's full. There's just a bar that doesn't work. It's been a while since it's been like that, but it's full, I promise. Oh, gatinho. Oh, you want some too?
Yeah, she's jealous.
You go, buddy. Oh, everyone in. Oh,
no.
She's pissed. She's like,
She's off.
you're giving him love and not me. I'm out of here. I can be my own cat. Back inside. Inside. Off you go. Up.
Hey.
Thank you. These kids, man. Out of control. We didn't do washing first. Water was first. We had water at the camp where we stayed last night, so it was a no-brainer. Okay, what do we got? We got 2 minutes. I like it. 2 minutes down the road, we are at the washing place. I'm actually gonna wash some of the clothes I'm wearing. How about you? You gonna wash some?
I'm gonna wash all of it, so I need to change again.
Let's go get the clothes basket from the back of the van. Oh, I forgot to get the... And I almost forgot washing powder. We need that guy. So I just went in to check. They only take coins only. And they're $6.
A load.
That's a little bit of like highway robbery.
And the dryer?
$5. I don't know for how long though. Okay, bed is done. What else we got going on? Check yours.
No.
What do you got? Oh, that's mine.
I'm organized. You're the problem.
Oppa.
Get that zip here.
Go to the bomb side. I think I'm pretty good actually, right?
Yeah, looks good. Your problem if it's not. Yeah.
A couple more times.
Yeah.
Should be right.
Yeah.
So we done?
Yeah.
Oh, towels. So this one, and these two.
Do you want water, gatinha? The princess now only drinks water from the filter.
This is a new thing. It's only happened in the last like month, probably.
She's my princess, okay? She deserves filtered water. Yep.
No, hey, boo.
But we need to get changed.
Oh man, you need to change everything.
See?
Oh.
We've been wearing this for 3 days now.
Well, we can't show this part.
No, of course not.
Okay, let's do it. Keys, money, washing. Oh, I need some lights off. Ciao, buddy. 40 minutes. Let's go do some other stuff. Yeah, start with the stinky one. So many people do comment on our posts on Instagram when we talk about this. They're like, oh, it stinks out the whole van, blah, 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 blah. Maybe there's a bit of a, like, someone just farted. Overall, it's pretty good. And lately, they poop and pee probably, what, 80% outside. So we don't have to worry.
And we found this new kitty litter.
It's called the world's best kitty litter. I totally agree with it.
It doesn't smell.
Done. Just a couple of cocozinhos. We do try and do the dishes after every meal. we don't have a big space. You have to clean after every meal. Otherwise it just turns into a bomb. It stinks. It's not fun at all. So I've been trying a new thing. It's kind of like intermittent fasting, but very relaxed intermittent fasting. Really would like to stretch it to like 11 maybe. Even just get to a point where I skip breakfast and then lunch is the first meal.
The problem is that this guy, he gets angry when he's hungry.
Don't we all?
But like, you're on another level.
This is how much space we have.
So this is where we keep our clean sheets, clean towels, all the spare ones. I'm just getting the clean sheets to put it on the bed now. Okay, let's put clean sheets on the bed. And we're done. After the laundry is done, we're gonna go to the shops to stock up on food because we're going remote and there's no more Woolies since God knows where. And then everything is gonna start getting a lot more expensive. Yeah. So we wanna do a big shopping here and stock up on food. So Wade has decided at least.
I'm going to be doing burritos, burgers, and probably some sort of wrap. And then we gotta figure out what you're gonna eat and then go to the shops. Okay, this list is looking pretty big for the both of us. We're gonna definitely be stocking up. And I don't know if this is very interesting for you guys. It's really just a normal life for us, but it's slightly different because we're living in a van. I wouldn't say this is an inconvenience. It takes a little bit more work. Like we need to go to the laundromat, just move around a little bit more. You gonna move? A little bit grumpy.
I don't care.
You didn't even budge. Generally when we do washing, there's always more of my clothes than Dani's clothes. I don't know how this happens.
I do. You wear it once and then you put it to wash. That's how it happens. We keep all of our clothes in these little bags. Mine are pink and Wade's are black. Let us know if you want a tour of our wardrobe or what we brought to our van life on the road. Bomb.
It's okay. I know where everything is. It works. The undie one's looking a bit how you going too. While Dani goes and gets the rest of the washing, I'm gonna have my breakfast.
Oh, it's looking so good. I can have a chunk of that now.
Let's go, we got 5 minutes. I know we said this was going to be a big shop, but I really wonder how much this is going to cost us. I'm thinking 200? What do you reckon?
160.
Let's see. We still got maybe only like 2 or 3 things left to grab.
How old are you?
This is why we love Aldi. We got all of this food, all of this, and like we doubled up on a lot of stuff. I had originally said that it was gonna be $200, and then as I was we were putting it on the belt thing, I went to 220. And then Dani actually decided to go for 200.
I had 160 originally.
It actually cost us $150. That is insane. Now we play the game of Tetris because we got way more things than we actually needed. So now we have to find a place to put it all in this tiny van.
Daniela speaking.
Hey Daniela, how are you doing today?
I'm very good, thanks. How are you?
Fantastic, Daniela. I'm Sean from The Great Offer, Daniela, in regards to the power supply which you are using right now.
Sorry, I'm not using any electricity. I don't pay for electricity.
Alright, you don't pay for the electricity, then who pays for the electricity for your address?
No one. I live in a van.
Alright, and how do you manage living in a van?
Yep. What did you say?
I don't know, but he hang up on you. That was 2 of those you've had this morning.
Just this morning.
Yeah, you get at least 1 of those a week. It's now lunchtime, so we're gonna have a break from the chores today. We have ticked off a lot of things actually, but Dani's gonna have lunch first. I'm not that hungry yet. I ate a little bit later than her. It's kind of weird that now we're not eating at the same time. So she's cooking her own meals, doing her own thing with this metabolic balance, and then I gotta do my own thing. Kind of weird. I gotta cook for myself. That's so fun. And we wanted to get the cats out, give them a bit of a stretch of the leg. This is their favorite spot. They love coming here because they can go to the toilet. And look at Jon Snow. He's ready to, oh, he's already in. That wasn't even much of a dig, buddy. So we had to quickly move the van. There was way too much sun and wind. It was just flying sand inside the van. So we've done a quick little spin around so we don't have the beautiful view of the beach anymore. Now I think we're just gonna tackle underneath the bench seat, got a little bit out of control, and the top drawer. where our cutlery and stuff, we have hard drives, there's a lot of stuff in there that also got a little bit out of control. So we're gonna quickly tackle that and then I think we'll head to the gym. So this is what we store under here. This is all like bits and pieces, some games and stuff. Some stuff we don't use very often actually. Microwave, and then we currently, not the best, but this is where like the camera gear sits. I really want to get a camera bag of some sort. I have no idea what type. One day we'll get like a proper camera bag and put everything in. And this is what I was talking about. We swept a little bit, but like there's so much sand came in.
We love being by the beach, but
yeah.
Let's go work out. Grow these babies.
Look at that muscle. I'm impressed, Dani.
Really?
You've been working out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at it. You want to change some light bulbs? This is the last gym that we're going to be able to go to for a very long time. I think the next one's not all the way till Darwin. I think we're either going to freeze our membership or cancel our membership because of the distance. But we're making the most of it while we can. While we have a gym, we're going to work out, try and stay fit, and get some beautiful hot showers in. Pronto!
Vamos.
So this is the real reason why we go to the gym. So we can come and have a hot shower. So the workout is done, have a quick shower, and then we're gonna head back in the bed. So that's it, chore day is done.
Yeah, we don't think these chore days are that different from what we used to have in a house. Like
True.
we would still do laundry and we just wouldn't have to get water or clean our bathroom or anything like that. But if you think about it, it's not that different. But if you want to see anything else that you think is curious from our lives, let us know and we're happy to show you. Tomorrow we are leaving Geraldton, so make sure you watch our next video where we'll show you what we'll do next because we're heading north.
See you guys in the next one.
Bye.